Happy Friday. It is less snowy and, well, it's not snowing, it's just snowy today. Nearly fell over on the steps out the apartment. It's one of those tiled, beautiful black and white tiled doorways, but oh my god, that's just slippery. So let's see if I can get to the show without falling over. So yesterday was basically my face waffling at you. Today I will actually be showing you fabrics, I promise. I just got overexcited yesterday, just bought all the things. Today I will show you all the things. That's the plan anyway. So we're here, we've unwrapped, taken off all the layers that we put on to get into here, and yeah, let the shopping begin. And this time I will be showing you more of the fabric and less of the face. But before I do that, I just wanted to say thank you very much to Edwina for buying some fabric from my shop, who's given me some extra monies to spend today. And I had some bits and pieces that sold on eBay last night, so I have 100 quid to spend today. Exciting! I have sensible shoes on today, and also I have navy nun tights on, Lauren. Oh, and thank you for all those photos yesterday. They were pretty. So we have fabrics galore. Which one?
It's interesting.
Oh, the denim. Yeah. I think that's a Megan Nielsen pattern. Oh. I bought fabric from here yesterday. So this is one of the hauls. And coming up to the Sew Over It stand, all of the samples have been made in Lisa's new fabric, and it's beautiful, really, really lovely. But I spent all my money of the Sew Over It money when we went to the shop the other night. So here we have the lovely Girl Charlie fabrics, and again, I bought stuff from them yesterday. Guys, this is really exciting. We found Fashion Formula, and they are a print-on-demand fabric company that are based in the UK, and look at the range of bases that they work with, and they do everything. There's a double crepe, which is amazing. There's a triple crepe. There is jersey light crepe. There's chiffons. There's quilted fabrics. They've got denim. They have velvet, which I'm really liking. There's ripstop. There's lining fabrics. This is really, really cool. So yeah, and the prices are very, very reasonable. I'll show you the price list when I get home. So I've just been having a lovely chat with Caroline from Sew La Di Da, and look at the Margot, isn't it beautiful? That's definitely on my list to make this year, and she's got some new patterns coming out very soon, which is exciting. So I'm at Butterfly Hair, and I've seen these girls for the last couple of years, and they do these amazing hair clips, which are actually incredibly comfortable to wear. I have one of those, and I have one like that, and I'm currently looking at this because I think in my red hair that would look really awesome. And can I show them your skirt, Nikki?
Yeah, of course.
So this is Nikki. Hi. And look at the amazingness that is BB-8. I love it. You got that?
And it's a twirly skirt.
We like the. Oh yes, we like the twirls. So this is Trend Patterns. This is Lucy, the designer, and she's got all of her samples here. And I have been eyeing up these patterns for months, and I have finally bitten the bullet, and I've bought the pleated neck dress and the trench coat, and I will be doing a sew along for one of these. And I love this pattern because it's got so many details on it, but there's so many ways that we can change it and alter it and make it look beautiful. So yeah, look at all that. And then the detailing at the waist, but there's also a piece of the pattern to use elastication here instead of this. So yeah, really excited. But Trend Patterns. There's Tilly in her stand, and she's got her new book Stretch on sale. I have to say, I absolutely love that dress. It's beautiful. So we've just been to Doughty's. I have bought needle cord. You can just see he's cutting some more needle cord there, but mine was turquoisey blue. Doughty's have an amazing range, and they obviously have a website as well. They sell lots of stuff for quilting, but also all of the cotton lawns, like Lady McElroy prints. You know how much I like them. That Damson Fly one particularly. And yeah, look at all the goodies. Oh, sorry. There's the Lady McElroy range, and I need to not buy any more because I have a lot already. Here's fabric time. I'm sure lots of you will recognise that print there. Let's see what goodies they have this time. Back to my face. So I've just met Dee. Hi Dee. She didn't want to be on the vlog, but she did want me to say hi for her, so hello. And also Jo, it was really nice to talk to you this year, because last year it was one of those kind of like, hi. And then this year we actually had a conversation, which was lovely. Oh, lost mum again. Seriously, herding cat. So I spent an absolute fortune here yesterday at Guthrie and Garni. I got myself a Simflex and some lovely fabrics. So you know how I keep saying that I need a new fabric shop, like I need a hole in the head? Well, I found one. Bloomsbury Square Fabrics. It's amazing, and I've already decided what I want for my birthday present from mum this year. Look at this, isn't it beautiful? I'm going to be making a cocoa jacket out of it and a Pauline Alice Rosario skirt, which I've just bought the pattern for. But aren't they stunning? Oh, look at that. So pretty. Can I have them all, please? So this is Till the Sun Goes Down, and if you've not found their website, what have you been doing? They sell the most beautiful fabrics. I've had my eye on this one for ages. And there's the lovely Heather in the background there with the pink and purple hair, and she's wearing a Seamwork Astoria in Italia brunette fabric, and I love it. So yes, they do some amazing patterns. And you'll have seen this fabric on the Sew Over It on Lisa's channel. She made a skirt out of it, but that's their beach pajamas pattern. Love it. And then that's all the patterns over there. We bought that shirt pattern there, but there's some more that I've got my eye on, as always. So here's a little close-up of their patterns, and they've got loads of their samples made up. We got the blouse yesterday, and I'm getting the beach pajama pattern now because I've been eyeing that up for so long. But that one's nice, and that one's nice, and that one's nice, and that one's nice. So yeah, I want all of the things. So Dad has a thing for birdhouses, and I'm not sure we should be showing him this because he's going to start wanting his birdhouses decorated. We're done. It's snowing. Let's see if I fall over while I'm talking to you. I've had another lovely day, met so many of you. It was lovely to see you all, and thank you so much for coming and saying hi. Heather, I think I managed to even get you in film, so do comment and let me know if you did have a good time, if you spent all the money, what you bought, that kind of stuff. I'll be doing a haul of all mine, but I'm going to hopefully make my way back to the hotel without falling over, so I will let you know how I get on. We're back. We didn't fall over. This is good. I'm going to sit here and go through all my goodies. It's only 4:10, so we left quite early, but that's the nice thing about doing the show over 2 days, is that you can do it at a leisurely pace and not try and cram it all into one day. So yeah, I think we saw everything that we wanted to, didn't we?
I think we did, yes.
Yes, Mum's reading her new knitting book that she bought.
Oh, looks really good.
Yes, there's a few in there that I would like, but that's generally the way, isn't it? And then we're going out to meet Siobhan and her fella at 6:45. They didn't have any room at the Olympia one, so we've had to go to the Earl's Court Pizza Express, so we're going to go there, which means taxi, because not walking, it's 1.5 miles, so no, just taxi there and back. We'll be fine. And yeah, I'm going to sit and have a look at all my goodies. A much more restrained set of purchases today. It all fits in the one bag, so that's good. And I have enough money left for my Liberty fabric tomorrow, so that's even better. So Mum and I are in the Hansom Cab Pub on Earl's Court Road. And apparently Mum and Dad used to run this place back in the day, isn't that right?
Yes, it's one of our training places. Such a believe it.
Small world. But Siobhan and Nathan, Siobhan and Nathan said that they were going to come here and have a drink first, and our table's not till 7:15, so we were just sitting in the hotel room freezing, so we thought we'd come and join them here. So yes, they're not here yet, but they're on their way. No. Is it bedtime? It's 8:15.
Oh, are we going out?
No. So we're back. It's 8:15 if you hadn't guessed. We've had a lovely meal with Nathan and Siobhan. They didn't want to be on the vlog, but they did say hi to Peeps. So yeah, it was so lovely seeing them. I get to see her probably 2 or 3 times a year, so it's just so lovely to catch up with her. We went to Pizza Express. We had a very nice meal, and we're back. And we've whacked the heating up to 32 degrees, and it is not warm in here. So, I mean, it's not cold, we're not going to freeze, don't worry about that, but it's also, having whacked it up to 32 degrees, it doesn't feel like 32 degrees in here. I mean, it's super high ceilings, so that doesn't help because all the hot air's up there, and unfortunately I don't float, so yeah. But it's been a really lovely day. And I have still got my Liberty money for tomorrow to buy my cotton, my car line, so excited. We're going to meet Mum's friend Valerie at the Harwood Arms for lunch at 1:30, and then we're heading into town to do the shopping, and hopefully we're meeting my friend Louisa if she can make it in from Essex. It was very last minute letting her know that I was up here, so fingers crossed she can make it in because that would be lovely. And yeah, that's been my day. So I hope you have enjoyed the look around the knitting and stitching show with me. I obviously didn't film all of the stalls because we could have actually been there for hours, but it was so much fun. Very much enjoyed it, and my shopping budget for the year is much reduced, but that's fine, that's the point. So I hope you've enjoyed today's vlog, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.